Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I want to share with you a couple of ideas to help support our troops. The first one is to wear red on Fridays. Red stands for Remember Everyone Deployed, and you should wear red on Fridays. I designed these t-shirts for the school that I work at, and we're the Mustangs. So on the back it says Mustangs supporting our troops. You don't have to have a special shirt. Just remember to wear red on Fridays to show your support. The other thing is I have this little plastic army man on my desk. And when I see this army man, he reminds me to pray for our real soldiers and troops overseas and all over the world who are fighting for our freedom. I have him on my desk, and he's kind of discreet. He's kind of back underneath my computer where not a whole lot of people see him. I have several at home in different locations, and when I walk past them, I can send a quick little prayer up for their safety. And that's just one little way that you can show support for your soldiers, of course, is by praying for them. This is Michelle with Straw-Bearie Designs. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment and tell me if you have any loved ones who are serving our country or who have served our country in the past and what branch of the military that they were in. Please share this video, tell all your friends, and have a great day crafting away.